If navigating airports and strange cities gives you the chills, you're going to love Llivo's seamless travel experience. Meet Llivo, the ultimate Airbnb alternative that transforms travel into a breeze. What sets Llivo apart? It's their unique airport pick-and-drop service. No more haggling with taxi drivers or figuring out confusing public transport. A trusted host or driver greets you at the airport, assists with luggage, and whisks you straight to your accommodation. This service doesn't just save time and stress, it sets the tone for a warm, personalized stay. Hosts share local tips and cultural insights, turning every trip into an authentic experience. And it's not just about convenience. Llivo's transparent pricing means no hidden fees, making your stay more affordable. Plus, their commitment to safety and quality ensures peace of mind from booking to checkout. So, why settle for less? Choose Llivo for a travel experience that's as smooth as it is memorable. Ready to redefine your journey? Start your adventure with Llivo today.